everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode, this is the Glam Bag X. This is a quarterly box. It's $55. This is the newest box, the first box for February of 2021. The next box won't be available till May of 2021. So they got rid of the what was it, the premium box, and that was monthly. So they got rid of that box, and they came and they started doing the quarterly box. Now I don't know what's in this box. I didn't want to go peek. I didn't want to go look. Obviously I didn't pick anything in this box, but I know that it has to do with who is it? Somebody. But let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it open, and we're gonna go see what's inside. So again, this is the $55 box. It's a quarterly box, so you won't get it every month. Patrick Ta. I was gonna say Peter for some reason. So that's what she looks like when you open her up. It's the Glam Bag X. Oh, and you get like a little newspaper compared to the little little postcard things that we get. So that's what Glam Bag X. Peter. I don't want to keep calling him Peter. Patrick Ta. There's something from him in here, so we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna go ahead and look at this. Oh, so here we go. Dropping May 2021. Every quarterly limited edition Glam Bag X, so these are limited edition, will be curated by one of beauty's biggest celebs. Hint, this May is going to be truly major. Don't forget to follow us on social at Ipsy to keep up with all the epic Glam X celeb news. You don't want to miss out. So who do you think is going to be the next, there's a little article. Who do you think is going to be the next biggest, what is it, beauty's biggest celeb? It does say truly, so that is a hint, and I can't think of anything right now because I just can't think. So that's the clue. So I'll show you that so you can read it. So this May is going to be truly major. Who uses truly? I don't know. I don't really watch too many people, so we'll see who that would be. So we're gonna get started. Does this give me the prices on them? So how many items are in here? We'll count them as we go along. Like, this is new to me, it's new to you. I will link Ipsy down below if you want to go ahead and check them out. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at. Oh, okay. I'm looking at it and I'm not letting you know. So we're gonna just pull these out. I don't know how much each thing is, but we're gonna figure it out. So what is this? This is the Complex Culture. Oh, this is full size. I think everything in here is full size. Everything in this box is gonna be full size. A Sonic T-Bar facial massager. I seen one of these at Target yesterday. I was at Target and I saw one of these. So this is the $58 Sonic T-Bar facial massager. So this must be made out of something else because the one I saw at Target was $14.99. I didn't pick it up. I didn't look at it, but it was $14.99. This one is $58. Does it do anything special? It is powered, so you do have to put a battery in here, and I don't have one available. So this is what it looks like. I like this. I got so many tools and I don't use any of them. So that's one. I do use one. I don't have it up here. It's like a little vibrating, it's about this big, and if you put lotion under your eyes, it vibrates under your eyes, and it has a heating element to it, but I don't have it around here. So this is called Complex Culture. Again, it's called a T-Bar. It's kind of heavy, it's weighted, and this is the glowing skin and sculptured features Patrick creates on his clients. It starts with the right prep, specifically a smoothing and sculpting face massage using the Sonic powered tool. Just glide it over your skin to help reduce puffiness, relieve tension, and sculpt your features. And definitely does work, because the one I use for underneath my eyes, it vibrates and it heats, but it soothes my sinuses, and I use it even when I'm not going to apply cream or a night cream. I still use it, and I go in here because this is where it hurts with my sinuses, and it just feels so good. So, you know, you go up, 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 and that's it. So probably use this tonight after I wash my face. Put on a face mask and smooth it right over your face mask. So $58, this pretty much paid for the entire box. But like I said, I saw one at Target. If you don't want to pay $58 for one, I saw one at Target. It looked exactly the same. Don't quote me on it, and I didn't pick it up to look at it. I don't know if it vibrates or anything. That one was $14.99. This one's $58. So the next item, we're going to, this is the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. And what color is this in? She's Passionate. And Patrick Ta, where you, I wish I would have gotten the brows. So it was either the blush or the brow wax. I would have preferred the brow wax, actually. So this is $32, and we're gonna open it up. And it's, I think there's a choice between 3 of them. So apply your brush toward the upper cheekbone to enhance your bone structure. So it was either the blush or the brow wax. I would have preferred the brow wax, to be honest, because I'm trying to learn how to do my brows and I have tons of blush. Not that I don't appreciate this one. It's fancy. Look at that. Patrick Ta. And a nice size mirror. And then that's the color. It's like a pink color. Is this a pink? It's actually pretty. It's really pretty. It's like so pretty you don't want to use it, but it's a nice color. I'll definitely use this. So that was $32. Got that. But like I said, I would have preferred the brow wax. Maybe I have to update my profile, because it does go by your profile. So that's that. That's about $80, 90 bucks. The next item is this lipstick, About Face. This is a $22 value. Although it says to pull here to open it, but it was open from the bottom, so we'll just do that. And this color is, oh, I like this. I guess there's a total of 4 different colors. And this one is called Shit. No, it's not called Shit, but what is Painted Lip Color. That's not the color, is it? I guess so. Matte. Oh no, Take Aim. Take Aim, that's the color. That's there. This is the box. And see how it shows a little thing to open it. And the color is there. I love lipsticks, so I will swatch this one. This is a pretty color. So 4 shades. To add dimension, apply a liner 2 or 3 shades darker than your lipsticks. Go in with the actual color in the center and blend. $22. That's a pretty color. Maybe I should put some on. What do you think? Oh. Is she dark? But I like it. I'm trying to hurry up. Oh, no scent. How's it look? Look good? That's the color, I guess, the color of the top. I think it looks okay. Looks so far it feels good. I like it. I really love the color. So that's About Face, $22. And oh, what's it? So you get a lot of nice stuff in here. So everything, like I said, is full size. So that's the third item. So don't close. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. That's the third item. The fourth item is Yensa Peptide Renewal Eye Cream. I love this brand. I received was it a lotion, moisturizer or something by Yensa. Love it. So this is an eye cream, and it goes along with that tool that we just got, so you can use both of them together. Pink Lotus. What is the value on this one? Sometimes I don't like getting these newspapers. It reminds me of FabFitFun. That is worth $48, and it's an Ipsy exclusive. So this is an Ipsy exclusive, and so was the About Face lip color and the Complex Culture tool. So those are all Ipsy exclusives. And again, this is $48. Always apply eye cream and a gentle tapping using your ring finger, and then I go in with a tool. So go figure. The next item is this Babe Lash Essential Serum. I think this is supposed to help your eyelashes grow, I believe. And that is worth, I don't know. That is worth, I was gonna say, what? This is worth $120. Babe Lash Essential Serum. Once you're satisfied with the length and volume of your natural lashes, continue to use the serum 3 times a week to maintain the results. Get the fuck out of here. And that was I think you had a choice, or there was a choice between this, the Ipsy makeup clutch, which I received in my Ipsy bag. I will link it up here, but this is what the bag looks like. So I got that in my Ipsy regular bag, and they say this is worth $18. Yeah, I don't know about that. Or some scrunchie. $120. I'm definitely gonna try that. So that's the price. $120. Well, they made up for what they didn't give me what I wanted with the brow wax. I made up with $120. So this is almost $200 right here. This is more than worth what I paid. I paid $55 for this box. The next item is what is this? R plus CO teacup Picholine kombucha detox rinse. And this is also an Ipsy exclusive, and this is worth $32. Dyed or bleached hair, be sure to use this rinse after your trip to the salon to keep your hair color looking fresh and vibrant. And sister's gotta do her hair because I got all them grays coming out. Let's smell it and see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. It smells real good. I guess you just put this in after. Detox your locks. This light conditioning rinse removes harsh metals and pollutants from your hair, helps prevent color fade out, and nourishes dry strands. Hair is left smooth, sealed, and protected. Awesome. And that's $32. I will list the final value on the box down here below at the end, getting towards the end of the video. You'll see how much this box was worth and each item what it's worth. I guess there was a choice between 4 items. I'm so glad they didn't give me this dry shampoo. I hate dry shampoo. I really, really hate dry shampoo. But then there was another serum and something else, some professional air texture thing. So I'm glad I got that. The next item is Pat McGrath. And she always puts everything in this plastic. I don't know if I'm fond of the plastic unless it's like biodegradable. It's cute, but it's a mascara. I don't want to open it because I have like 3 or 4 mascaras open right now. But Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara, and it's worth $30. She does have pretty packaging though. I just didn't like the one with the lipsticks with all the sequins in it. No, that like, ugh, I had to like make sure I put all the sequins in a little baggie. And then the last item, which I believe I already have. Did I buy this? I think I bought this. I may have this palette already. Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered eyeshadow palette, and this is worth $65. I think I do have this palette. I do have it actually. Now which is mine? I think this is mine. This is the one that came in the box. This is worth $65, and I believe that's how much I paid for this one. This one's mine. So we'll open up mine. I wonder if I used this already. Like again, this box is $55, and I like it. I really like my box. Everything in this box I will use, except for this palette. I might send this off to my daughter and Jocelyn. Yeah, this one's definitely mine. Mine's filthy, and I haven't used it that often because I just didn't know how to use it. But now I do. I'm getting better. I'm getting better, y'all. Getting better. See, I'm getting better. I used a little $10 palette from Amazon, and it came out pretty good, right? I think. Comment down below, how do you like my eye look? But this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. That's all the colors. It's actually a pretty palette. I liked it. I mean, I bought it. now I'm gonna start playing with it because I really like this palette. But that is everything in this box. We'll go through it again. Let's recap everything we got. Again, it's a $55 box. I will link it down below. So if you're interested in getting this box, I believe you have to be a Glam bag. Don't quote me. I will let you know down below. I believe you have to be a member of Ipsy, that $12 bag. But you can skip the bag when this box comes. But I do get the plus, that Glam bag. Do I get the plus? Because it'll pause. Yes, I get the Glam bag plus and I get the Glam bag regular. They pause your plus box. Well, I have mine paused for the month of February so I could get this box. And then in March, I'll get my plus box and not this. This will come again in May. Hopefully I didn't confuse you because I am known to confuse people. So let's recap. We get the little newspaper, which I will definitely be reading. And if you know who the person that they'll be using for May, if you have any hints or, you know, let me know down below. Who do you think it is? That would be interesting. I don't know at all. I couldn't tell you. Hopefully we'll have to figure it out. I don't know who would be coming in May, but let me know, you know, sound off down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. Let's count. Everything in this palette is full size. Again, $55 for the box. It's only quarterly, and you can always pause it if you don't want to get the next box. So we get the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered, and this is a $65 value. We also got the R Plus CO teacup, this kombucha rinse, detox rinse, and this was what, 32, 26? Girl, I put the newspaper away and I forgot. What is it? Maybe it's Halsey, because they have a picture of Halsey on the cover. Yes, $32 for the rinse. Let me keep this out so I can know what I'm talking about. And the Yensa is, the eye cream is $48. The lipstick was $22. The Patrick Top blush, which, I mean, I'm not sad I got it. It's a nice blush. I just have so many blushes. This is $32. We got the Pat McGrath Labs mascara for $30. Can't wait to try that out. And we also received the Babe Lash Serum, which was $120 for 0.13 fluid ounces. This is a 6-month supply, it says. After that, I'm not buying another one. And then we have the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager, and this is a $58. So that's everything that came in this box. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. March is my birthday, and I will be having a giveaway in March for my birthday. Probably a couple of them because it's my birthday, it's my daughter's birthday, and I might have several different giveaways next month. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like, dislike, comment down below what your thoughts are. Who do you think is going to be the May box? And this is the color of the lipstick. Let me know if you like it. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag X, $55, and it has to have over, I would say, like close to $300 in value. So it's definitely worth it. I will list it down here below what the box is worth. And that's it, you guys. So thank you all for being here with me. Happy Valentine's Day again. Hope y'all are doing well. Thank you all for hanging out with me. Until next time, hasta laters.